Ultimate guide for beginners to get started with e-commerce platforms in 2024. Before you start, 1. Understand e-commerce. E-commerce is the buying and selling of goods and services over the internet. It's a rapidly growing industry, and you can start your own e-commerce business by selling products online. Step 1. Research and choose an e-commerce platform. 2. Research popular e-commerce platforms. There are many e-commerce platforms available, including Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, Magento, and more. Research each platform to determine which one is best for your business. 3. Choose a platform. Based on your research, choose an e-commerce platform that meets your needs and budget. Step 2. Set up your store. 4. Create an account. Sign up for an account on your chosen e-commerce platform. 5. Choose a domain name. Register a domain name for your store. 6. Set up your store. Follow the platform's instructions to set up your store, including creating a store name, logo, and theme. Step 3. Add products. 7. Add products. Create product listings, including product descriptions, prices, images, and videos. 8. Optimize product pages. Optimize your product pages for search engines by using relevant keywords and meta descriptions. Step 4. Configure payment and shipping options. 9. Set up payment options. Configure payment options such as credit cards, PayPal, and other payment gateways. 10. Set up shipping options. Configure shipping options including shipping rates, carriers, and estimated delivery times. Additional tips. Develop an e-commerce strategy. Develop a strategy for your e-commerce business, including setting goals, targeting a specific audience, and creating a marketing plan. Provide excellent customer service. Provide excellent customer service to build trust and loyalty with your customers. Monitor and analyze your store. Monitor and analyze your store's performance using analytics tools to identify areas for improvement. Stay up to date with e-commerce trends. Stay up to date with the latest e-commerce trends and best practices to stay ahead of the competition. Additional resources: Shopify Academy, a free online course that teaches you how to start an e-commerce business using Shopify. WooCommerce documentation, a comprehensive guide to setting up and managing an e-commerce store using WooCommerce. BigCommerce University, a free online course that teaches you how to start an e-commerce business using BigCommerce.